Okay, free hair spa from Beauty Lamp. Naku, gaganda ang mga buhok ninyo dito. Right, okay, there we are. We're gonna give all that to all our wonderful candidates, right? Miss Nora. Yes, Miss Nora is here with us. Okay, Miss Nora is going to help us to give the trophy for the third runner-up. These are all courtesy of none other than Miss Nora. Thank you very much, Miss Nora.
And our fourth judge, she's won an awardee in the Kilang Bayani 2016. She won as a champion during Kalayaan of 7 Emirates 2018. A winner for Kalukalike Imelda Papin 2016. And garnering a golden award twice in Abu Dhabi. She is one of the officials in AFC and a performer for an event and a judge too. Let's all welcome Miss Nora Manlikis, aka Imelda Papin ng Dubai!
And of course, Miss Nora.
Yes.
Ang Imelda Papin.
Yes.
Right.
Only in Dubai.
Oh, ano pa? Aside doon, ano pang alam mo kay Miss Nora?
Dakilang awardee.
Dakilang awardee. Wow, okay.
2016. Oh,
ano pa yung year, ha? Oo nga. Wow, hindi ko alam yun, ha? Okay, well, thank you very much, Miss Nora, for gracing our event.